Welcome back! This time we are learning about how to figure the area of a circle. Alright, now the first step is to find your radius. Now the radius is the distance from the center of the circle out to the edge. Okay, and in this instance, that is 4 centimeters. Okay, now the formula for a circle is completely different from any other shape because it's a completely different shape. The formula goes something like r, which is the radius, times pi, that fancy term that all mathematicians know, and then we're going to parenthesis those for visual, and square it. Alright? And then that equals area. Okay? Now, does everyone know what squaring does, or what it means? Okay? Squaring is just taking the answer of the stuff in the parenthesis and timesing it by itself. Okay? So we'll get to that at the end, okay? So we're going to start out with our r, the radius, which is 4. So we're going to put it in this first box right there. So 4 centimeters, don't forget the units, times pi, which comes out to be 3.14. 3.14, okay? And we are not going to put units on that because it is not a part of the circle. It's its own different entity. Okay, and when we multiply that, comes out to 12.56. Okay, and we gotta bring down the units, which is centimeters. Okay, now the next step, I broke it down to make it easier to see. Okay, so we're gonna take 12.56 centimeters okay, and we're going to multiply it by itself. Okay, and when we do that, calculate that, it comes out to equal 157.7. All right, now we can't forget the units, right? And there's 2 of them, so what are we going to do? We're going to square it. Centimeters squared. Okay? And that is how you find the area of a circle. Thank you for watching.